I forgot to record. So what I put here, I put the oil, the onions until the onions were like golden brown. I added on top of that the garlic, the ginger, the jalapeno peppers, and after I cooked those for 2 minutes, I added the spices, cooked those for another minute, and then I added the potatoes, mashed them. And you could stop here, but I want to add juice of a half a lemon. Why? Because lemon elevates the flavor and enhances it, takes it to another level. If you haven't tried lemon juice on your samosas, you're missing out. So now this is ready. You just turn off the fire under it and let it cool down until you're ready to stuff it.